Let's see how we can solder an LED to a PCB. So before we start, make sure the LED legs are straight and ensure the proper orientation. Going to fit the LED to the board and see if it fits correctly. So when talking about the LED orientation, there are two legs. One is much longer than the other one. So the longer one is the cathode. And I'm going to place the LED to the board. And to fix it at the proper place, I'm going to press the LED from the other end, and I'm going to use a tweezer to bend the legs very close to the PCB. This makes sure that the LED doesn't fall off the board, and it ensures a proper solder joint. You can see how the LED should look after you bend the legs properly. I'm going to take my soldering iron and heat up the pad. So before I do that, I'm going to clean the tip, and I'm going to clean the tip using a brass sponge. And I'm going to heat up the pad and feel the solder. You can see the solder melting and making the solder joint. And I'm going to repeat that process to the other leg as well. This is how the LED should look like after doing a proper solder joint. And I'm going to cut the LED legs right after the solder joint so that it looks nice and neat. This is how it should look finally.